What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and welcome to another video of In a Day in the Life of a Mechanic. This is not gonna be a how-to video, but I just want to show you what I encounter from time to times. Now, just to tell you, this is not the worst I've seen. I say it's like top 5, but I just can't believe it. So here, let me show you. I'm working on a Chrysler 300. This is the rear brake setup, whatever that they have here. As you can see, the rotor already broke into 2 pieces. This is usually this thick right here. So they used the pad all the way through until the metal part of the pad wore out the rotor. The rotor split in two. Right there, you guys can see it is in 2 pieces. So right now, when the wheel turns, the bottom part turns, and this part stays put. This part stays put. This part turns. So then when he brakes, it's still holding this. So this is not gonna move from here. I just don't know what to say, man. I mean, just some people don't do this, guys. I'm sure this customer heard a grinding noise on the rear brake pads, but then he stopped grinding because it chewed through the whole rotor. So then there was nothing else to grab onto, right? So, guys, things don't just fix themselves. Things that you hear don't just go away by themselves. If they went away, something failed, something broke, something's wrong. And things that mess up, and then you come back the next day and they're actually working, they don't fix themselves. Okay? Nothing fixes itself. You need to figure out what was wrong, fix it, take it to your mechanic. Pay attention to your car. Pay attention to noises in your car. Anyways, this is what I encountered today. So now I'm going to have to replace everything. But like I said, it's not the worst that I've seen, but it's not a meme either. Alright, guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed a good laugh. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in another informative video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.